Keep your engines running and stay tuned for more racing updates. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of motorsports, specifically focusing on GMS racing. If you haven't heard of them, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly who they are and what makes them such a key player in the NASCAR world. Let's get started. GMS Racing is a professional motorsports team that competes in the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series, one of the premier racing series in the United States. The team was founded in 2010 by businessman Maury Gallagher and has quickly become one of the most successful teams in the series. Based in Statesville, North Carolina, GMS Racing has built a reputation for excellence both on and off the track. The team made its debut in the Truck Series in 2011 and initially started with a part-time schedule. However, over the years, GMS Racing grew into a full-time competitor, consistently fielding strong trucks and drivers. Their success didn't take long to come to fruition. Just a few years into their career, they began to make a serious impact. One of the most notable achievements for GMS Racing came in 2016, when the team secured their first ever NASCAR Truck Series championship. This win came with driver Johnny Sauter, a skilled veteran behind the wheel. Sauter's performance that season was nothing short of spectacular, and the team's victory solidified their status as a championship-caliber organization. Since then, GMS Racing has remained a constant contender in the series, with multiple race wins and top 5 finishes. The team has worked with some talented drivers over the years, including drivers like Spencer Gallagher, Myatt Snyder, and Brett Moffitt. Each of these drivers has contributed to the team's growing reputation in NASCAR's Truck Series, with Moffitt even securing another championship in 2018. Over time, GMS Racing didn't just remain a force in the Truck Series, they also made moves to expand their presence. The team started competing in the Xfinity Series in 2020, which is the second-tier NASCAR series. They've continued to strengthen their program, bringing new drivers and top-tier equipment to the track. To sum up, GMS Racing is an impressive force in NASCAR's Truck Series and beyond. With a track record that includes multiple championships, race wins, and strong performances, they're a team to watch in the years to come. Their continued growth and expansion into new series show that GMS Racing is here to stay. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on your favorite motorsports teams and drivers. Until next time.